Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. It is 8:38. God bless. Just wanted to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see the little taco stand right there. Sheesh. Boy, eating tacos at 8:30, boy. And I already ate breakfast at the house too. But I seen that. Oh, this at the Home Depot. It's at the Home Depot. But you already know I had to get me some tacos. Anyways, I'm doing a reversing valve today, and I got another call, but I'm taking my time today, folks. It is what it is. All right, guys, so we're here. Just wanted to show y'all the reversing valve. I don't have a lot of memory available on my camera today, so I'm gonna get the important parts, but yeah, just wanted to show y'all. So this is it. All right, so just wanted to show y'all. I usually like getting this out the way, this plate out the way, and that way, you know, you can get access. Well, that way you can get access to the valve. But all this line set right here is all in the way, so I can't really get in there comfortably, in a comfortable position. So I might have to do everything through here. So this thing does not have any refrigerant. Last time I was here, I put nitrogen in it. It's just leftover pressure. Oh, this is Brazing. Just don't have it labeled. Put that right there. Something. Some of these. This thing would be way easier if I could open that panel up, which I probably can, but I'm try doing it like this for now. Alright, guys, I don't know how well y'all can see, but cut this out. The snips right here. Okay. Let's see if I can. Might just cut this out with the small sawzall that I got. Put some tape on this so nothing can get in. So probably could have cut those top three with the with the snips, but this wrist, sometimes it hurts from time to time right here when I turn it, and I can't really get a good grip. So never mind, I decided I was gonna get the multi-tool instead. Let's see how good this can do it. Oh, that's one. Okay, and no shavings got in there, of course, because it's taped up. So now we can braze this one, this one, this one, and the bottom one. This unit is not running, so how do I wish I could just be on the other side right now. And I did not turn up the acetylene on this just because I know I'm not in a comfortable position, so I'm not trying to burn a hole through the pipe or nothing. Messed up right here, look. Burning the wires off. Careful, it's still hot. Well, what's going on with you, boy? Get your ass in there. valve messed up on this one. That's too much right there. Alright guys, I might have to just open this panel. I kind of messed up on this one when I heated it up. Probably pulled it too soon and it kind of bent that copper a little bit. Alright guys, I reamed this out just a little bit. Let's try again. Better right there. Let me put some more of this heat block on everything around here. That one should be good. At least. I have to get a longer piece for this one, guys. Alright guys, check it out. Got this out the way. This is what I meant. I didn't really want to get it out the way, but it's not the worst. Probably should have done that initially to begin with. I thought I could get it from up there, but I'm not the world's best brazier. I'm pretty sure some of y'all could have got that easily. So I missed here, I missed here, I missed here. So let's go ahead and get it. early on that joint, so let's do a better job on this one. So it's not too bad here, it's just this line set. This line set is right between my foot, but I'm not complaining, guys. Gonna take this off and get the other side from over here. I think we're good there. Let's take a look. Got stuff all over the place, guys. Let's look at the positive side of things. The filter dryer is out here. Okay, we're good. Not the best looking joints. Well, not too bad. So let's get that filter dryer. I'm gonna cut this off. Got enough slack anyways. Alright, my gauge is connected. Go ahead and pump this up to about 100 first. So we are pressurizing everything. The coil, the line set, the compressor, everything. So alright, this thing didn't drop, so pump this up. some pressure. We are good. Alright guys, this thing keeps changing because of the temperature. You can see here it says -3, -3. Keeps changing because of this suction line clamp. But I'll say we're good. We're at 329 still after 23 minutes. We'll pull this vacuum and make sure we're good. So we got this all back together. Everything here. This is where I'm gonna pull my cheater cord from. So I'm gonna put a Schrader tool here, one there, and I'm gonna pull off of both lines. That way it can pull a real good vacuum and a quick vacuum. Since I am pulling from the condenser. Yeah guys, this unit, it's not in the worst location. It's just kind of weird to service, but it is what it is. So I came to get my umbrella now that I'm almost halfway done. I'm in vacuum now. Man, this sun literally hits right here. Oh, it was in PE. Yeah, it was fun. Okay. All right, I was on the phone. Sorry guys, my daughter called me. What am I looking for? Stopwatch. Alright guys, we're at 350 right now. So everything looks good. I think we'll be alright. Go ahead, close these. Get these out of the way. Put this back in. Yeah, this isn't the best unit to service, but it's not the worst either. I mean, you've seen way worse, but it's just weird. All right, we're gonna let that sit. We're about at a minute in, 2 minutes in. We're at 340. So let me see, I got my scale right here. So the next step is I'm gonna weigh it in. I think I'm gonna put my scale here on this fan motor. I know that's not the best thing to do, but well, I'll try to find a flat surface. Anyways, so we're gonna weigh this in and we're gonna put it in through the liquid line since both valves are open. And that's what we will do. So I'm gonna start taking these off. Alright guys, so it's been about 9 minutes. This thing turned off, so let's see. But I say we're good. Go ahead, get another picture once it comes up. So this was at 400 at 241. It's at 330 right now. So we're good. No leaks. All right, so what I'm about to do now is shut this off right here for my micron gauge. Turn this off. So I already set up my scale right here. I put a piece of wood on the bottom to kind of get that leveled out. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Now, I'm gonna go ahead. Well, I don't need the suction right now. Just now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach my liquid line here. I'm not gonna tighten it up all the way yet, because I'm gonna bleed this out. So I'm gonna bleed this out right here. There we go. All right, so now I'm gonna open the liquid line right here. Well, that was kind of too much bleeding out, but all right. So now we know there's no air in this line, and now we can break the vacuum with this refrigerant. Once I open this valve right here, it's gonna let refrigerant through the liquid line. Now I just gotta see how much is weighed in, because I do not remember. So let me. All right guys, so 89 ounces, 5.5. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this thing close to 5 pounds. I'm gonna open this up right here. Boom. All right, now I can control it here if I want to. Not necessarily at the valve cord removal tool. And now we just watch this. So I was taught on, you gotta bleed it in through the, you gotta break in with refrigerant through the liquid line whenever you pull from the condenser and everywhere else. That way you don't slug your compressor, I guess, get liquid in that compressor when you start it up. So y'all let me know if that's what y'all do too. Man, that was quick, boy. Sheesh. 4 pounds, 13 ounces. All right, now I gotta go inside, turn this thermostat on. This thing saying 91 degrees. All right, set it on cool mode. Fan on auto. All right, guys, so our contactor is pushed in. So I'm gonna go ahead, close this right here. And I'm gonna go ahead put my shraders in on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing run. All right guys, it's been about 7 to 8 minutes that I turned this on. We're at 128 on the suction pressure, 336 on the head pressure, about 3 degrees subcool, 44 degrees superheat. So it is safe to say it needs some gas. Now we are gonna charge it through the suction side, not through the liquid. All right. So this thing, a pretty long line set, and it goes into an attic. So definitely gonna need some gas. And remember, we didn't reach the full 5 pounds. We only reached around 4 pounds and 13 ounces. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing to about 6 pounds. Oh, 6 pounds. We'll give it some time. Meanwhile, I'm gonna start putting all the stuff I know I can put up. Check out my trash can. It's a compressor box. Just keep it on the truck or the back of the truck for trash. Alright guys, so got our pressures. We got a very high load in the house, so you see a high suction pressure. We got this thing to 8-9 degrees subcool, 13 degrees superheat. So this will calm down once everything starts regulating. So will the suction line temperature. And plus this lady, she had both systems off. This one worked, but she had it off. She said she had it off because she didn't want it to run much. Since this one wasn't working, this is for upstairs, this is for downstairs. Upstairs is super hot. So yeah, I turned this one on and I got this one going, and she had a lot of the windows open. I went ahead and made her close the windows, and I closed some. So looks like we are good. Gonna watch this a little bit more and we're gonna head out. I actually have another service call. So I got another service call, but honestly guys, I don't got enough memory on this camera. I'm backed up on the editing the videos. So yeah guys, that's what we got going on. It is 3:39. I started early today. I actually had a job. I had 3 jobs. I had a duct work job. So after I got the tacos in the morning, after I went to Home Depot, I went to take that material to my cousin. So he took care of that, and I took a little while there, and I got here around 12:30 or something like that. You know, time just flies, guys. Time just flies. But yeah guys, so God bless, God bless.